Hey, it's that time again. Right, Beachhead. Pete.
Yo.
We're just sitting out, chilling out, waiting to get in register. We are for the first round.
On a Friday night?
On the Friday. So this is a Friday. I'm trying out new technology, so if it looks shit, we'll have to deal with it. Because this is my first time using this camera, so there's going to be mistakes.
And the new mics too.
And new mics, yeah. So there's a microphone right there. Got the usual lot.
Well, some of them.
Yeah, some of them like. There's Pete's head.
Trying to move my head out of the way.
PK's over there somewhere. Just press this button. I can press buttons and shut and all that crap.
That's pretty cool.
Yeah, it is. Well, hopefully we'll get some good shots, and we'll speak to you after everybody's set up and all that lot. And we'll get some one-off and all that. Yep. Hopefully you'll see Joe, Leah, Paddy. Who else? Tom. Yeah, Joe, Paddy, Tom, yeah. Paul?
The four.
Yeah, I thought you said Paul then. I was like, no. I can't hear him, he flaps. Alright. Yeah. Here we are, we're about 40 minutes in now, and they're all starting to fill up. Got quite a fair few people in. So the first match will actually be quite sweet. It's going to be cool. Loads of people. Loads. Yeah, this is cool. This camera is really cool. It doesn't get me wobble. I could be pissed and walk with this camera.
That was your fifth drop win.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, yeah.
My sixth and last drop. So, advance to the pulsar.
Cool. I'll get second card.
So it makes no difference. You're going to have one guy on there anyway.
And this one has a shot? Yeah, makes sense.
And my target. 4 moves, down to 7. I'll say what's 11.
One warden booted off the table. Right, mate.
Yeah, right, bud.
Taking a 1 damage each. So you get it. No worries. Now you can roll for your damage in strongholds, but I can't do it because it's the first battle round.
Went up in the sky, and come back down in a full inch. Good stuff. I think that is everything. Yeah, they were really excited. It's their first day out. They just lost 2 of them.
Basically, I can move the same as I was, just everything.
Nice.
In the next turn,
My brain's.
you're going to see maybe Amantar versus Amantar.
Fuck yeah. First game. That's a 9.
So they're in. I do charge mortals. I do 1 mortal wound on the charge. Could you just move that side so what I'm not doing is blocking my scouts?
Yep. That good? Yeah, we
So what I want to try have a go. Other shooting, like 10, which is why I made it.
Right, so that's playable.
Make it. Thank you. And over here,
I'm not surprised.
5.
Just because I want to be able to take you off that objective.
That is fair.
I think we'll do some shooting.
So,
It's just about 24 minutes.
Cool. So, counting in 5, 4, 1. Not this doing anything. 6. Right, that's all the movement done. So we've got 1, 2, got all objectives there. Take it wherever pace you need.
Start away from the cultists.
Yeah. Observing there.
Do you want me to move them for you? These two.
Yeah.
Just in line. And then don't get covered. An inch away from the cultists. Do this reacting. Tank you as well. In melee, they're minus 2 taken by them, so they advance.
And they're almost like flying terminators. Okay, so 4 up in 2 up, 4 up in
Let's advance. My noisy boys.
Flames on that, flames on that.
No.
Can't fall back to the charge on this.
yeah, hell yeah, man. You got like 3 inches spare.
Oh, because it's at the front. It's my one. Is that
No one's ever shot me it's my only thing that I have is over 24.
11.
Right.
So, Storm went back into the deck, and I got securities.
Yeah. Five in.
6 saves at -2.
So 2, 6. You know, I'll do a flamer first of all, round 1. This many shots. 8, 9, 10. So, okay, so 10 shots. Yeah. So, they don't, and everything.
Well, that's going to be 3 left. Well, he has 6 wounds.
Battle cannon and counter killer into rep X.
What does it normally hit then? 3s?
Yes. It'd be 2s now because I'm at the starting strength.
Oh, nice. Yeah, you carry on.
Voices.
Silly place to put it.
That's pretty tasty. They've all hit and one is sustained.
Nice then.
Strength 5, so 3s.
This is wait, to these guys, yeah, 3s.
4 saves at -1, please.
Okay, we're getting 4 ups then. We failed 3.
2 damage each.
Nice.
Hey everybody.
I wish it was more.
I'll try that in a sec.
Okay.
And that's it.
So discharge.
Stay still. Not really anything. He's going to stay still.
8. Once we're going to shift 12. Just sustain 2. And then
You can recover assets 3 times. You can recover assets 3.
It's different parts of the airport, though, isn't it?
It should say. Yeah. I see, yeah.
Decision.
Okay.
I'll go flat.
Quite a few things I've got to
Then you are
One, I do get cover from this, so it goes back down to a 4 up. Damage. Do you want to move the pine glass out of the way, or do you want to get the pine glass in?
yeah, the point's in. Oh, you've not got an easy fight.
So I have 3 units on the objective here.
Okay, so if your unit shoots them, once that unit's finished shooting, they will split.
then that doesn't matter if we wipe out the whole unit, they still split. No. If you wipe out the whole unit, they don't split.
Just the
Thank you very much.
Guys into the tank,
Yeah, and then these.
and then the boys into the troop.
I know it's weird, isn't it? It's like how the game works.
Yeah.
So, yay, orc.
That seems better.
These can come through the wall.
Yep.
Makari is just going to chill his.
The sisters have found the prisoners and they're trying to corral them back into their prison.
Basically, I just want to be as well.
It's a flamer. D6 shots. Stake 5, 81 1 damage.
I think that's perfect, that seems like good enough for you.
One save.
Bring it down and storm. Right, so defensive strats, I'm not missing anything.
Just the aura against mortal.
Would you like to wrap it anywhere?
Thank you. Right, I'm part of the fame, so I got to see you painting then.
Could just tote on there.
Nothing this time. Then it's going to be, this guy's going to shoot into combat into the guy I'm in bed.
I don't think that's a hurt, but maybe not quite that much, but we'll take it. My turn. Calgar's now dead, so I only get one.
Oh no.
Kill your rhino. Kill the rhino.
No, stay away them bushwhacking, hornswoggling, crocker is gonna roll away, biscuit cutter.